Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's November 28th, and I'm out here in the garden just kind of doing a little cleanup, getting rid of some burnt tops on my deal, kind of trimming them up. And I got sidetracked over to where I had my basil planted over in here. And I started weeding as I was cleaning it out. I said I'd put some radishes or something in there. And I get to looking, and I got this funny looking weed. And I started pulling them up, and then I got to thinking, I had chamomile planted right here. And this is where it reseeded. Well, I don't know if it's going to survive the winter. I don't know how cold chamomile will take. But I decided I'd leave these in here. But also, I need to clean up this mess here that's this echinacea, which is a purple coneflower. But what I'm doing is pulling off these tops. Now, these tops are full of seeds. And now some of these will go back here, and this will be way too thick. But what I'm doing is, I got a bucket here, and I'm just popping these off. Well, actually I'm cutting them off, but it looks like I pulled that whole one. But I'm just taking these off of these and throwing them in the bucket. And what I'm going to do, and if you have room, it's just a suggestion, you might just throw these somewhere where you don't particularly care. If you got a big enough area, and you can just throw some seeds out from some of the varieties of flowers that you planted. Now, the bees really like these. The monarch butterflies really like these. And, of course, it's got medicinal purposes that strengthen the immune system by the study and stuff. But anyway, you have to wait for these before you harvest. You got to harvest 2-year-old roots. So this is the first year. So next year we'll harvest some of this to add to our herbal supply. But anyway, the important thing about this video is throw those seeds out. That way all the pollinators and such will have something to go to. You'll have a beautiful attractive area. The purple coneflower, or echinacea, is a really beautiful flower when they're blooming, and as you can see, they put up a whole lot of flowers. So anyway, if you want to see more of my videos, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And of course, as always, enjoy your garden.